Okay, hi. In this tutorial, we're going to look at complex questions and how are we going to solve this type of questions. Okay, when you see the word solve involving some indices expression, you'll see x in the power. Okay, this is what we need to find. So let us begin. When we see that although these 3 and 3 are of the same base, but because of this negative sign, we cannot simply add the power because this is not stated in the laws of indices. Only when, if this is a multiply or divide, then you can do something to the power. So in this case, we can't do anything. Like the same when we solve for x in the linear form, we always make x the subject in order to solve it. So now we see how we can make x the subject. So start off with shifting some terms. Okay, I put all the x terms on the left. So as this shift over, it becomes negative. Shift this over, it will change sign and become positive. Okay, right now I have all the x on one side, the numbers on the other. I want to factorize out 3x. Why do I need to factor out? Because I only want to have one term containing x. Okay, if I don't factor out, I will still have two terms. Okay, so that's the idea, to factor out it. And how to get rid of this is the reverse of the first law. Okay, if I have two indices, two terms of the same base, I will add up the power. So I'm trying to break out this by doing the reverse. Okay, here is power to -1. Okay, you need to double check. This is multiply, means we need to check after adding the power, do we get back what we want? Okay, so if it's true, we just leave it. So now I can factor out 3x, leaving the rest inside the bracket. Okay, so you can see that this is the unknown term, this is the number term, this is the number term, so I'll bring this over. Over here we are all in multiply, so when we bring this over, we divide. Okay, so now let's continue. Okay, we know that anything to a negative power, when we want to make it to a positive power, we swap the position from numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator. So I can say that 3 is 3 over 1, so I'm swapping the position of this. Once I swap, the power that belongs to 3 will naturally become positive. So it's like this. So you can see that it's equals to some value. Okay, let's work out what is this. So this is 1/3. 3 divided by 1/3 will be equals to 9. Okay, in order to solve the x in the power, we need to compare the power. For the comparison to take place, we must have the same base number. So we change 9 to the same base number as 3. So it's 3 squared. So from here, I can see that my x is equals to 2. And we'll solve it. Okay, thank you for watching.